creative type is the dreamer. I think every creative's a bit of a dreamer. Maybe I'm clearly a little bit more so. I studied graphic design with visual communication at Bath University. I started working off in a creative agency and then I ended up going to Twitter to work as a creative specialist. And then from there I worked at Snapchat in creative strategy and now I work for Spotify in creative strategy. Very millennial CV. I transitioned from a designer into more of a strategy role because I felt like I wanted to see a different part of the process and use my brain in a different way. I think social media is definitely a positive thing. I definitely didn't have Instagram when I was a student, but I think if I had it now, that would probably be my portfolio. So yeah, I think we've made the transition from like a Tumblr to Instagram, and I don't know what lies next. One thing I wish I was taught at university was probably the impact of technology on design. So nowadays, if you think about like an Instagram story, you have to really consider how to design for that, as well as traditional like desktop as well. I'm not quite sure where my creative future lies at the moment. I'm definitely enjoying exploring the strategy side of things, but I'd love to see if we can push the boundaries, and I like to sort of like overlay everything as well. So I think design weaves into strategy really well, and I'd like to see what else I can kind of push the boundaries on.